Okay, I think so. Good afternoon, my dear students. We can start the class. Think only 38 students joined. I hope everybody will join within 5 minutes. Okay. So today our class is about the types of entrepreneurs, the main heading. And before that, we are going to discuss the professional qualities of the entrepreneur. Because in last class, we have discussed clearly the traits of the entrepreneur with the help of two examples, two case study we have discussed. Based upon that, we have discussed the traits. And today, we are going to discuss about the first part is the professional qualities of the entrepreneur. Then second part is the types of entrepreneurship. If time possible, we will discuss the types of entrepreneurs also. So in this is the module. The module heading is types of entrepreneurs. So under that, we are going to discuss all those things. That is the professional qualities of the entrepreneur. Then very important thing, types of entrepreneurship, then types of entrepreneurs. These are all the three headings coming under this module. I hope you might have gone through the LMS. We have already posted in the LMS the conceptual background. Okay. Let us recall what we have discussed in the previous class. Students, are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
I think some internet problem. I'm sitting inside the lab only. It is going and coming back.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Are you,
Sir, there are in the waiting room, sir.
yes, ma. I'm saying. I have given the permission. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mm. Some I'm sitting in the lab only. Some issues in internet. Okay. Okay. Things sharing started. Okay. I hope you are able to hear. And today, what we are going to discuss is entrepreneurship traits. This is what I am showing from the our LMS. We have already discussed some of the traits in previous class. with the help of two case study. And today also we are going to discuss the professional qualities, because most of them used to mention entrepreneurship as the profession. So we are going to discuss the professional qualities of the entrepreneur. So it comes under the entrepreneurship traits from your syllabus. That is the thing. Then, as usual, we are going to discuss about the second part, which is the types of entrepreneurship. These are all the two things. I think before our 2 hours we are able to complete. So in the LMS, you can see that one we are having the some of the activities regarding that one. You can complete during these holidays. Before Monday, I will tell you how to do that one. So these are all the concept from the LMS we are going to discuss today. Same thing, I think some of you already gone through that one, our LMS clearly. Based upon this thing, we are going to discuss this thing, okay? Let us start with the simple example. We have recalled what we have studied in case of the entrepreneurship. How the entrepreneurship is moving at present we have discussed. Here is another small example of that one. How the entrepreneurs are ready to take the risk. The main trait of the entrepreneurs are ready to take the risk. Recently, there is another example from Bangalore. In case of Bangalore, you might have seen the Rose Bazaar example. They created one website like Amazon, and they used to distribute the flowers during the morning hours also. Two sisters has taken the risk. That is Yasoda and Ria Karturi. They were grown up in Bangalore, but they went for schooling in Ethiopia. They studied their future studies in US, but they came back to Bangalore. And in Bangalore, they decided to run a small business as a startup. I think there is some problem in internet. I will inform to the lab. 1 second. Okay. So what happened? They created a small business called the Rose Bazaar. And in from that Rose Bazaar, what they did, you can see in their interview, they mentioned that they created a small business lot of distractions. So here they identified that one, the value for the entrepreneurship. How they identify the value, you can see that one. They created a business model. See that one in entrepreneurship process, there is one concept called business model. Their business model is creating a subscription based model. Subscription based model means every month you have to subscribe for a business. That income will goes to these persons, and if you are ordering the product, they will deliver. That is how they created a business model. So the third trait you must understand from this example is creating a business model. These Rose Bazaar created a business model. That business model, according to them, they used to call it a subscription based model. Subscription based model means Amazon Prime is a very good example. Every month you can pay. You have to pay, I think, around 200 rupees per month. You can pay to Amazon. You will be considered as an Amazon Prime member. You will get more benefit from that one. Same method. Here they created a business model. Since they are an entrepreneurs, they created a very good business model. They used to call it as subscription based model. So that is the next trait. Next, you can see that one. What is their work? How they are fighting in the beginning days now. And early morning 6:30 a.m. onwards, the customers are waiting. So they have to deliver the flowers by 6:30, especially for their prayer offerings, puja offerings. They used to deliver. That is the hard work. In case of entrepreneurship traits, hard work is very, very essential in the beginning days. They are well determined. They are passionate towards their business. That is why their business starts to grow up. So, and they decided to expand their business plan also. And they are having the vision to do. This is called the vision. Be clear. They are having the vision. Their vision is they have to attract 200 million households in India. Not immediately. Of course, it may take time. That is the vision. So in this example, you are able to know the basic traits of the entrepreneur. Here, two girls joined together. They went for higher studies in Ethiopia. After that, they went for US. Then they came back to Bangalore and they started their business. From this small example, you must know the traits. First thing, they used to create the value, their risk-taking ability. Then they create the value for the entrepreneurship, how we can earn. Then they created a business model. That is a very important trait of the entrepreneur. After creating a very good business model, then they started their business. How to do that one? That is the hard working power. They are having the passion towards their business. So that is the thing. At the end, their vision. So why I told this case study, based upon that, you must know the basic traits. In previous class, we had discussed the two case study to know the traits of the entrepreneur. Today, the first example shows the minimum traits essential for that one. Let us see what the big authors are saying about the entrepreneurs. One of the famous author in his book, I am going to tell the name also. He mentioned that entrepreneurs should have some professional qualities. He clearly mentioned that in the beginning stage itself, even if an entrepreneur is having age of 14, 15 or 19, 20, they have to create the professional qualities. Dear students, you will also have the practice of entering into doing the entrepreneurship. So now itself you have to develop your professional qualities. And what are all the professional qualities? Who are called profession? You might have seen in case of Indian example, a doctor, a lawyer, even an artisan. These persons are called as the professional people. An entrepreneur should have the qualities of the professional. Here I have shown one of the person. Anybody can remember who is that person? Yes, you can switch on your mic and tell me. Here I have mentioned one person in the photograph. Anybody knows? You can. I never expect correct answer. Even if your answer is wrong, don't worry. Yes, I am telling because this person is from HCL, Vinit Nair. He used to have the professional qualities. In his book, he mentioned clearly what are all the professional qualities a person should have to become an entrepreneur. Based upon his experience, he defined the professional qualities. And the first professional qualities in his book, he clearly mentioned as an entrepreneur, you have to create a brand for yourself. That is very important thing. I am going to do. Everything belongs to me. Myself will do. I am a brand. That's what he quoted first. That is the essential professional quality needed for an brand value along. They created a very good brand value. Since they are all the IIT graduates, they created a very good brand value from the IIT itself. That is what they did. And because of that, they are able to get very good fundings from the organization. That is their brand value. Then they created their own brand value in society. We have discussed. They entered into Church Street, in Brigadier Road and MG Road, everywhere, and they created their brand naming called Flipkart. That is how they created a very good brand for them. This enables to move into their business. In another example, we have discussed about the Prem Ganapati. He worked very hard. He identified number of customers first because of different varieties of dosa he prepared. Based upon that, every others used to call him as a dosa wala. That is the brand he created. So, dear students, as an entrepreneur, you are able to create a brand value for you. That is the first professional qualities you needed for the brand. Very important thing. That is why most of the students, when they are studying itself, they used to create a brand value for you in social media, either in LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and in World Economic Forum, everywhere. You are showing your highlight views. What are all your achievements? You are showing, you are creating every day and putting in the social media. What is the reason beyond that one? You are creating a brand value for you. Based upon the brand value, when you are commencing your business, they are ready to fund. That's what in case of Bansals or Flipkart, they never gone to down level to find out the finance. Finance is very easy for them because the Bansals were having a very good brand value because they are from IIT. Another thing, they created a very good social media, but Dosawala find very difficult to create a brand value. It takes minimum 3 years time to create a brand for the name called Dosawala. Then only he entered into the business. So you must know that one, how these people created the brand value. Next one, another professional qualities. Next one, the professional qualities of the entrepreneur. You might have seen this person, you know about this person. He also mentioned the professional qualities. Do you have the qualities of an entrepreneur? How you have to consider that one? Who is that person? Now I think most of you know. Anybody can tell me? Yes, come on.
Steve Jobs, sir.
Yes, good. Now you are able to interact. Good. How he created a professional value. He mentioned about the professional qualities of an entrepreneur, Steve Jobs. Based upon that one, that is one book. One author mentioned that how to become an entrepreneur. What are all the characteristics of an entrepreneur? It is mentioned in the one of the journal title called Psychology Today. I think psychology students are also here. The name of the author is Kevin. He quoted about the professional qualities. Kevin Korsh. He identified few professional qualities of top entrepreneurs. It was published in the Psychology Today. Let us see what he mentioned about the professional qualities. First quality, you have to convert yourself into a true professional people. What is the meaning of professional people? That is, to be the best, you must be able to handle the worst. If you are able to handle the worst means you are a very good professional. See that one. A simple definition of a professional people. That means you are able to take the risk in very effective manner. He clearly mentioned to be the best, that means indirectly to be the true professional, you are able to handle the worst. If you know how to handle the worst situation in a simple manner, then you are the true professional. You can see at present, we are ready to say that these people are considered as the professional people. They are called as COVID warriors. They are considered as the professional people at present. They are taking the patients of the COVID. How? They are taking the risk of saving the others. That is the risk-taking ability of a professional. But they are very cool. They never show their tension, or they never show their enmity, or they never show the friendship also. They wish to balance between all this friendship as well as with the enmityism. They used to consider everybody equal. That is why they are called as the true professionals. You can see that one is taken in Bangalore only. Stay strong, we love you. How? They created a professional value. They are taking the risk of saving the corona patients, but they are not tensed. They are very cool, and they used to mention, stay strong, we love you. This is a very good example of the professional people. We need to consider these qualities in our professional life. Yes, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
think today a lot of disturbance in our lab. One second. Hello, Amir. There are some issues in internet connection. Here it is moving down every 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Yes. What is the professional qualities? You must know who are your customers first. He mentioned the second professional quality as an entrepreneur. First, define your customers. Who are your customers? If you know clearly, then your business will be successful one. How to identify the customer? The marketing people will say different one, finance people will say different people, but as an entrepreneurship students, how you will identify the customer? You have created a very good innovative product. Who will buy? Who will be satisfied about the product? That is important. That person is called the customer. Be clear. Say for example, very simple example, in case of a dog biscuit, you have created a different dog biscuit. The dog will eat. So you have created a unique product like pedigree dog biscuit. You have created a dog biscuit. Who is the customer for the dog biscuit? Tell me, anybody can tell. Let us assume you have created a new product for your business. You want to sell the biscuits for the dog, or you want to create a good product for your pet animals. You are going to market the products for the pet animal. Who is the customer for that one?
A pet lover.
Students, are you able to hear my voice now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, but good. Okay, anyway, I given time. Now I am entered into my cabin, so no problem. We'll wait for just a minute, others has to join.
In our previous college, only students have to do everything. Either mic setting or audio setting or whatever. here, students only have to do. No, they don't have any technique. No, there will be a technician to the college, but they will all alone now. They will all be very busy. They will not come for your whenever you call them.
Okay, students, I think we can resume the class. There are some technical issues. Sorry for that one. I hope there won't be any technical issues hereafter because I'm sitting in my cabin itself. I hope. Some of the students are joining. Yes. Once again, let us recall what we are discussing. Okay. We are discussing about the professional qualities of the entrepreneur. As it has been rightly mentioned that the professional person means to be the best. He must be able to handle the worst situation. That is the new definition for the professional people. How these people are able to handle the worst situation in a best manner. If you are an entrepreneur, are you able to do that one? If any worst situation is coming, you are able to provide the best one out of that one. If it is possible, then it will be considered as the true profession. That's what the professional people meaning yes defined. So that's what I told the example of the corona warriors. See that one in this example, corona warriors, how they have taken their professional life. They have taken the worst situation of taking care of the patients, that is the risk-taking ability. At the same time, they are doing their best to others. This is a very simple example of how these persons are taking the professional one. Second part, if you want to be a professional entrepreneur, you have to define your own customer. Without knowing the customer, you can't survive in the entrepreneurs. That is the second concept of the profession of the entrepreneur. Who are called your customers? I asked one question. In case of a dog biscuit, who are called the customer? You may created a very good product. The product is very nice. And the product you are saying that it is for the cattle or it is for your pet animal. Based upon your new knowledge you have created, it is an innovative product. You can argue that the product will be well accepted by the animals, pet animals, either dog or cat or anything. Now, as an entrepreneur, whom you will target? Who is your customer? Come on, any students, you can reply.
The owners of the pet, sir.
Very good. Owner of the pet. Owner of the pet is considered as the customer. Any other answer? Come on.
People who are running a pet shop.
People who are running a pet shop. Good. You are the entrepreneur. Good. Come on. Yes, students, come on.
So there are
Yes. Yes, come on. Tell me.
so the dealers and the stakeholders, sir.
Who are the stakeholders then? Come on.
So the small shop owners, so that they
Small
can get
shop
price.
owners. Okay, good. You want to target small shop owners. Good. Any other idea? Come on.
So yes, we can see many restaurants or like small cafes where there are space for pets as well.
Oh, you want to identify such thing. Good. Name is Mera Arshad. Good. Yeah, last answer. Anyone? Come on.
The middleman, sir.
Yes, Joshua.
The middleman, sir. Like the
Middleman.
Yeah.
Good.
Generally, when you have a client
Mm.
and then you have the main,
Mm.
the business company, but then you have middlemen who are also part
Mm.
customers as well as part, like
Because you want to
sellers.
target the middleman. Good. You know, all of your answers are absolutely correct. None of you mentioned that dog as the customer. That is the thing as an entrepreneur must know. You may create a very good product for dog, but for you, customer is not a dog. If you are a retailer, the customer is exactly the person, the master, the owner of the dog is considered as the customer in retailing. And you know clearly some of them mentioned you have to identify the middleman. Very good. If you are an entrepreneur, first you have to identify the middleman. He is considered as the customer. That's what he mentioned clearly. If you want to be a professional entrepreneur, you have to know who is your customer. This is not the marketing. Marketing says the person who is satisfied and who is consuming. But in case of entrepreneur, your customer is different. That is why in case of IT industries, they used to call it as the term called client. That is important thing. If you are running a very big business, your customer is your wholesaler, the intermediary. Intermediary are considered as your customer. Only if you are able to target, you are able to sell your product. If in case of today example, we have discussed the Rose Bazaar in Bangalore, how this Bazaar created a customer relationship. They targeted the regular customers for them means who are involving in puja by morning 6:30, who are offering the prayers, even though the flowers are given to the god, but gods are not consumers or customers. They are targeting clearly the persons who are having the belief with god, who are offering flowers to the god. So they have to target only the persons who are doing the job. Very important thing. In case of a professional entrepreneur, your customer definition is very, very clear. That is called client, whom you have to target. Be clear. That is the concept of identification of the customer in entrepreneurship. In case of kids example, if the kids dresses are made, number of kids dresses are available. If you enter into a mall, you can see in different colors. But who is the customer for the kids dress? They are not kids. Who will be satisfied because of the kids dress? The mother. Be clear. If mother is satisfied, she will buy the kids dress. Kids won't say that I need this dress. If they are 2 years old or 1 year old, then the kids are not the customers. Even though the kids are going to wear, who will be satisfied? The parents. Either mother or the father, both of them will go to the mall, and especially the mother will decide the thing. The decision is taken by the mother. So in case of the entrepreneurship, who are called customer? The mother is the customer, not the kid. Even though you are manufacturing a very nice dress for the kid, it may be pink color, blue color, or magenta or maroon color. You need not worry about that one. You are going to target the mother of the kid, not the kid. That is how the entrepreneurial things, the definition of the customer has been fixed. The person who is satisfied because of the purchase. The money may be given by the father. The dress may be utilized by the kid, but the customer is the mother for the kid. If you are able to identify this customer concept well, then you are able to clearly move in your entrepreneurship journey. That is the second point you must know. Here you can see the Jack Ma example. Jack Ma is a professional people. Why we are saying the Jack Ma is the professional people? Two things you must know. Jack Ma customers are entirely different. He is running an Alibaba store. He is running a very big e-commerce business. But once he entered into the Africa, you can see how he identified the customer. He want to satisfy the needs of the customer. Even he used to dance. Now the definition of the customer is moving because he is an entrepreneur. He is not a CEO. He is not a manager. If he is a manager, he won't give importance for all these things. But he is a professional person. And another thing, he is an entrepreneur. He wished to identify the needs of the customer. You have to satisfy the needs of the customer. As a professional people, how the Jack Ma identify the needs of the people, you can see in this example. Even the professional people should have a certain mindset. As an entrepreneur, if you want to target a particular customer, you need not worry about anything. You have to come down to the bottom of the pyramid. That is important thing. C.K. Prahlad clearly mentioned, if you are able to identify the bottom of the pyramid well, your business is a successful one. Alibaba entered into South Africa. No, everybody is mentioning here nobody is using the e-business. No, here nobody is having laptops, nobody is having phone like a big manner. So how they are going to do their business? Alibaba never worry. Then what these people will like? Sir, if there's a mass gathering, they will come and dance. They will like the dance, everything. So what Alibaba did, you can see the Jack Ma, he entered in the scenario and even he used to dance. See that one. How he created the value for that one. He clearly identified the customers to market his product. Here is an example of the A.R. Rahman concert. For A.R. Rahman, he is also considered as a professional people. He is also considered as an entrepreneur. For him, the customers are this set of audience. How you identify the audience? This audience will tell that he is a very good music person. He is able to compose the music. Then only A.R. Rahman is able to identify new films for him. That is the identification of customer. So as an entrepreneur, you are able to identify the concept of customer well. Here you can see why A.R. Rahman used to organize these type of concerts in different countries. He wished to expand his own personal professional business. For that, he needs the definition of new customers. See that one. Even though his clients are the producers of the film, so he is having the two views. One, he has to attract the producers of the film. Another one, he should have the mass. First, he has to target the mass. If mass people are ready to accept A.R. Rahman as a professional people, he is ready to compose music, then the producers will accept if A.R. Rahman is having such qualities. That is the concept of the customer's identification stage in the entrepreneurship. Next, very important point. The next professionalism point, as per the definition, make expertise your specialty. You have to sell your skills. You may have a different skills with you as an entrepreneur. Your skills are unable to justify. You are having a different product. As a biotechnology students, you may identify a new product, but how you are able to sell your knowledge, that is important. Here you can see one simple example. When the Bill Gates entered into the scenario, everybody asked. You can see that one, this how Bill Gates used to sell his own skill. First time when he started his business, somebody asked, how you are going to run your business? In case of ventureship, everybody asked how you are going to get the fund, because you know Bill Gates example, he didn't completed his graduation. So what he did, he created something new. He approached the venture capitalist. In case of venture capitalist, they asked, are you able to run the very big business successfully? Bill Gates told, yes, I am able to do. How you will do? He mentioned, I choose a lazy person to do a hard job. Then the venture capitalist asked, why you want a lazy person? Why you are not asking a smart person? Instead of smart person, you want to appoint a lazy person, whether your job will survive. They asked. His reply is very different because a lazy person will find easiest method to do it. He will be a smart worker. See that one? Now Bill Gates is able to sell his idea. That is his skills. How Bill Gates sold his idea to a venture capitalist. Then venture capitalist think, oh, this person is having a knowledge. That is the next qualities of the professional entrepreneur. You must know in different angles. You can see the another example of that one. Always you have to deliver more than expected. A professional will deliver something different as well as more than the expectation of the customer. Since you are going to enter into your business first time, if you want to attract the customer, you have to do something more than their expectation. How when Ola entered into the business, how they delivered their value. Even when case of Swiggy entered into the business, how they delivered their values to the people. First instant is very important thing. When you are delivering the value to others, you should be very clear. You have to deliver the value more than the others persons expected. Very good example is the Ola. Everybody assume that you can't do a business like that. You can't join hands with number of drivers and do a business. But the Ola is able to do. He clearly mentioned, he identified a sample in Mumbai. First Ola came into existence in Mumbai, even though their office is located in Bangalore. They started their venture in Mumbai. He identified a small place nearby Kolaba. He organized 200 drivers, and along with 200 drivers, he mentioned, is it possible to run a very big app with the help of this type of 200 drivers? He mentioned, he made it a successful. That is the concept of entrepreneurship. That is why in case of entrepreneurship, say what you do what you say, prove it. These are the important things you must know in case of the entrepreneurship in beginning days. Here you can see an example. This is an Shivanadar from HCL. How he has taken the role of the CSR work. He is having a crores, but he mentioned in the annual general meeting, I used to prefer my dinner with kids and underprivileged persons. That is how a professional people created a brand value for him. Everybody thought this HCL person is a very big man. He is a computer man. He can do anything. Why he is telling all those things? But he proved he not only once every month, he joined hands with the underprivileged school kids and he used to run a mega show with them. That is, have a dinner with these underprivileged people. He used to tell what he is able to do. This is also a professional qualities. That indirectly, in my view, you are able to act everything. Then only you are able to capture your first business. Your first business should be very, very important thing. Next one, the next essential qualities, you are able to communicate effectively. Your communication should be a very, very essential one. You should not blame customer anything. We have discussed in case of the Bansal story. In case of Flipkart story, we have discussed it clearly how the Bansals communicated to the first customer. They find it very difficult to identify a book. But they used to mention clearly, don't worry, it may be delayed, but we are able to satisfy you. They did it. That is the professional qualities of the Bansal. Same thing in case of the Bhavesh Agarwal of the Ola. Everybody mentioned, he can't do the business with the help of drivers. Drivers are said to be uneducated people, but these Agarwals are highly educated. There won't be a very good relationship between that one. I think hiring Jose, you can mute your thing. Yes. Good. Thank you. So same thing. The Bhavesh Agarwal did it as a CEO of the Ola. He used to communicate with the Ola drivers. That is very important. You know about the habits of the drivers, how they used to behave. The drivers are having different tendency in every places. Drivers are said to be the worst person once upon a time. Whatever the owners are saying, they are not ready to accept. But the communication between the Bhavesh Agarwal with the drivers are entirely different thing. His communication is very, very appreciable. How he organized a 2,000 drivers at a single time in Mumbai to communicate his views and make everything rich, indirectly empowering others. As an entrepreneur, Bhavesh Agarwal is able to empower others. He made it a successful. That is the next essential qualities you must know about the entrepreneur. Empowering others with your communication. Next principle of the entrepreneurship, follow exceptional guiding principles. You are able to appreciate others and you are able to practice the good manners. As an entrepreneur, when you are entering into the beginning stage, you have to give a good view about that one. You have to accept others, even though you are ready to reject. But when you are saying anything, you are able to accept. That's what I told. You have to say yes, never say no. Even though you are able to say no, you have to change your communication style. Say in a positive manner, same thing what was done by a professional people, Indra Nooyi. How the Indra Nooyi created that one as a chairperson and CEO, past chairperson and CEO of the Pepsi. That is very important thing. He used to identify the people in such a manner to help the planet, everything. That is the successful of the Indra Nooyi as an entrepreneur, even though he's called it as an intrapreneur. Intrapreneur means he used to run the PepsiCo in a successful manner. Nobody will control the Indra Nooyi. He can do whatever he thinks because he has been given the power like Sundar Pichai. Next one. As an entrepreneur, you are able to price your peers, not yourself. You should not price yourself. Even though you have to create a brand called I am the brand. We are able to do. But you are able to price your peers. That is very important thing. You should not reject anybody. Even if the competitors are coming, you should not reject your competitors. You can see in the case of the example of Sundar Pichai, how he has taken the professional ideas of respecting his own peers. See that one. That is the professionalism, how they created, even though Sundar Pichai is said to be an entrepreneur. His essential qualities, that is making others. Others has to give respect. Sundar Pichai made it that what he respect everybody, even with his competitors. Wherever he go, he used to give the respect to others. That is the essential things. Then, next essential things, share your knowledge. What you are going to do with others. In case of Amazon, they did it. They are sharing their values and knowledge. Swiggy, they used to educate the customers how to buy the things. Same thing. If you want to do a business, you may have a good idea, but you should not come down with your confidential view, but you can come down with what the customers are expected to do. That is why they mentioned share your knowledge first. You can see in this example how Satya Nadella did it with a kid. How a big person is coming down to share his knowledge with others. That makes you a professional people. If you want to make professional people, you are going to do all those things. I think the psychology students may accept they are also here. Very important thing, say thank you. The professional should have such type of thing. They are able to thank others. Even in case of historical example, the thank you leadership in number of cases. Whatever the others are doing, you are able to thank others. Here you can see the example of the big entrepreneur. Of course, his father started the business. You can see his plus point. Whatever he is having, he is said to be a crorepati. Even then, he is having the capacity to thank others. Even not only him, but also others. That is the plus point of the Mukesh Ambani, how he is taking the role and thanking the others. Dear students, you must know all these professional qualities to enter into the entrepreneurship. Our next and final one, keep a smile. I am not telling, the psychology people are telling how if you have to keep a smile among your face, you can see the person, a big entrepreneur throughout the globe, how others are ready to accept as a professional people. That is the quality of the professional people. What is the smile? As a professional people, how the smile is creating to accept that one. According to this book, these are all considered as the professional qualities. Here you can see in case of Ambani example, his professionalism, smiling is different. When they started a small business, it's not a small business, a very big business in Mumbai. In Geo, they created a very big show. They created a theme park and they decided to invite the persons. No, they never invited the big personalities. They never invited the Abhishek Bachchan or Amitabh Bachchan or any big brand ambassadors. They never invited the political persons. Even if they invite any political persons come and open that show. It was a big theme park in Navi Mumbai. They created. But how they made that one as a professional people. These 4,000 people inaugurated the Geo theme park. See that one. They saw the smile with others. These 4,000 people are not a big persons. They are all living in the slum. The doctor as well as the wife of Mukesh Ambani identified these people from slum. They are having crores. Even if they invite, president will come, prime minister will come, big B's will come. But you can see that one, how they did it, a professionalism in entrepreneurship. If you want to have such idea, you have to do in a big manner. But these are all the professional qualities. Bill Gates did in a different manner. Here Ambani did in a different manner. They clearly mentioned we need all these 4,000 underprivileged people. Other kids might have went to the theme park, they might have seen. But for these slum people, they are seeing the theme park first time in their life. So that is why we call these 4,000 people and they are given the dress they invited, and Mukesh Ambani told clearly, I am seeing the smiles in the face of the kids. That is the professionalism. How their business trends improve. See, now we are telling he is a big person, everything, but each and every people have such type of professional qualities. So, dear students, based upon this thing, you must know clearly what are all the professional qualities of the entrepreneur. Okay. So I think since due to technical problem, they have over, it is already 3:15. So dear students, what you are going to do for the first hour attendance, take your mobile phone. You can leave from this one, then take your mobile phone. I already sent the Google form you. Open it, enter your roll number, then enter your number. Then you are going to enter what is the essential professional qualities you are expecting from the entrepreneur. We have discussed number of professional qualities of the entrepreneur. Out of that, you are going to mention which professional quality you expect. Okay, you are going to enter into the Google form. That's all. That is for the first hour attendance. So we will have another 15 minutes break. After that, once again, we will resume by 3:30. Now you can leave.
Sir, only
Yes,
one quality?
yes, only one quality as you like best. But from what we have discussed, you need not mention some other quality. We have discussed some of the qualities. Among that one, you are going to identify. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. We will meet once again by 3:30. You can come out of the meeting. Thank you.